As a straight male, one thing that you'd never expect to happen to you is for you to end up in a hotel room at night, tired, with a gay male roommate. So that happened to me, apparently. And here's what happened. So boom. So Wagwan, Rex Almighty there. Hope everybody alright. If you're not, then bear in mind, say you beat over 40 million sperm cells for there. You're a soldier. So anything will bother you, you can overcome that, my G, isn't it? Speaking of sperm cells.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Here's how I put myself in a sticky situation back in 2016. So here's what happened. So this story took place back, as I said, in 2016, August. I just stay with my grandmother in a Portmore at the time. I get ready to start college by the end of the month. In addition to this, I was waiting on SLB to hit me up for me to sign my life away to them, I guess. So, for the most part, we can say we did financially stable, financially secure to start the school year. So early August, we did in the living room on Facebook I scroll through. Yes, that's what I said. I said Facebook. Now this was back in the days, as I said, 2016. Back when Facebook did hot. So ease me up. So yeah, then the living room I scroll through, the on Facebook I go through. When all of a sudden I woke up on this ad, just pop up on my phone, telling me that I need to sign up for a scholarship, I guess. It's an ad from a particular bank, a bank which I won't name, right? I said this before, I'm financially okay. So there is no reason for me to sign up for this scholarship here. Literally, I only need to drop off one paper student loan so I can get the loan, so I can start school. So I don't have no reason for sign up for this scholarship. But, I go.
Yeah, boy.
So without even double thinking, me click on it, me sign up, me submit. Me not even reread nothing because me genuinely never business. Me not gonna tell a lie. Me have 7 subjects though. What's the odds of them actually selecting me? It's pretty slim. So me genuinely never did expect to get it, to be honest. So the whole idea of getting this scholarship was swept under the rug. I me just move on with my life. About a week or two after, we get an email from the bank that is stating that I got the scholarship. Whoa.
Hi.
Alright.
Okay.
It said that I was shortlisted and I'm expected to be at a cocktail event. Why? Fire. I was expected to be at a cocktail event at the Courtland Hotel. And we also going to spend the night at the Knoxford Court Hotel.
Dang!
Them tell me also where we need to meet up and at what time. And at this point, I'm not going to lie. I'm kind of excited. I never business before. But now, me happy. You see me? You can't hold me. I call my mother. I call everybody. I make them know say, yo, watch you now. I just forward a town. Never gone hotel before. Man, make it a now. Yes, I say it. Never been to a hotel before. Closest me been to a hotel is the Tipton Hotel in Zaka and Cody. So yes, the email actually get me attention. So stick around, couple days pass, and then we need to reach the location. We head out, thanks to Google Map, to find my way. We reach and moments pass and the bus forward. People are already inside, me just walk past them, go sit down on their back, knowing me being an antisocial person. Put on all headphone and all of that. So we reach at the hotel, we in the lobby. Me or the lady start gather up everybody. That's the person who is responsible for we, I guess. Call up everybody to the front and make we know say alright, it's going to be peers in a room according to gender and first name. Which makes sense, I guess. You know, don't really want to breed nobody's school pitney, pan them way to college. So I guess it makes sense. So yeah, fair enough. Me hear my name with another brother. Let's call this youth Trevor. Seems like a fitting name. So me find my way up to the front and the lady make me know say, alright, somebody already take the key and gone up, so she make me know say, alright, me go get this here room here, it upon this here floor here, so me can just head up. Chances are me meet the person up there. Alright. Now, up to this moment, me don't know what this guy look like, me don't know what this guy sound like or nothing like that. So me just head up the stairs, go up, knock the door, and then me hear somebody say, coming.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
No, listen. You remember when me say the rooms them issued according to gender, right? Right. Me did feel like I said the wrong room. Me go knock on. Because them tell we say females be in one room and males in the other. So me ready to start walk back down the lobby now. For me the woman know say, oh, the wrong number and tell me. And me we a walk back down. Me hear the door pull. And the person call me by my name. Just to check it for me. No homo. Right? Make sure me this clear, no homo. The person call me name sweet brother.
Move from here, so cause you're batty man, you shouldn't even come on site with that the store.
So in my mind, me I say, yo, how them people if you put a woman in my room? Like I saw me one lucky. Well, you know what? Chances are they never hear about the country boy. So me go to Bamson, turn round, and when me look, it's a male brother. Jesus.
What did you just say?
Christ. No, pause. Me know there's going to be someone saying, you can't just look at somebody and say them gay, or just hear somebody and assume say them gay. And to that, I have a response.
No, thank you.
There are some things that gay people do that, well, makes them gay. Example? Them hold everything with such delicacy. Them extend every word when them attack.
Move like this now. Let's move this.
And oh yes, them walk funny. For some reason, I don't know. But this dude, this brother with them say my roommate. The brother have all three of them things there. So, me gotta tell you the truth, me out of the hall and me genuinely don't know how to react. Because me come from Westmoreland. And down here, me gotta be honest, me not really see gay people like that. If them do gay, them suppress it. And them just up like this. So the one them where you just say on TV or on Instagram, we're just up in a tight blouse and, you know, tights and them thing there. Me never see them personally before, right? So me then in the hall and me genuinely don't know how to react to this. Me genuinely feel like it's a setup thing, a plan thing. But you know what? For the sake of my mother, for the sake of higher education, for the sake of lack of utilitarian experiences, I don't know what
What did you
but for
just
the
say?
sake of all these things, me I go in.
Why are you gay?
So me reach in and we had to be downstairs within the next hour or so. For the bus take we to the next hotel, to the event that is. So we showered.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Boy! You're batty man left us some man.
You are gay. You are a transgender.
What shows
Me go bed, then him go bed. Make sure make that clear, right?
Okay.
So we get ready. Time pass. We reach at the event. Collect a one medal for show so me accept the scholarship, I guess. We tea some beer and we started back to the Knutsford Court Hotel. By which them say we are gonna sleep, by the way. When me tell you say, for the whole night, me couldn't sleep. I'm not even gonna turn on the TV. Because next time you turn it on and blues upon you. Me not have to kill somebody if you have the wrong idea. But yeah, that's that, I guess. Me don't know why I did want hear say happen, but nothing did. I can assure you, nothing happen. Right? Look, look. Me have a problem with persons of the L. Hold on. Me have a problem with persons of the LGBTQ community. For what it worth, the youth are the one decent youth. You see me? It's just that once a man try emulate a woman, them tend to start look man, right? And me no want in them line of sight when them start with them options. That can't happen. So yeah, that's how I end up in a room with a gay person. Where that's experience, but I survived, you see me? Moral of the story. When people are offer you freeness, you need to ask them what's the catch. For real. You want to see them people they were under this small tent where I sell you things. And then we tell you for example, say yo, the cologne you have for $2. And when you reach near your bag for take out your card, them tell you say you have to buy the basket for $3.5 so you can get the cologne for $2. Yeah, that me I talk about. You need to ask questions. And I guess another moral is not all gay persons are like these lads. We just learn how to leave people alone. At the end of the day, your response for yourself, my G. We don't know if there's an afterlife, but if there is, you responsible for yourself. You see, when you step up in front of the Lord, that's my G. I get judged for what going on pearly gate. You're responsible for yourself. You can't backtrack on nothing. You can't lean on nobody. Yeah, you one up them, my G. So focus on what you have going for yourself. And allow people to them live their life. Just be happy with who you are, my G. Alright, so you make it to the end of the video. 2 things me I gotta ask you for do. 2 simple things. 2 free things. My God, man. Press the subscribe button. Also, just share the video to one smaddy. Just one, not pressure you. Keep your head up. Until the next one, my G. Big up yourself. Peace.